I need all my healthcare girlies to tap in for just a second, all right? So right now, as you can see, I'm wearing 2 energy patches and 1 victory patch. The reason why I'm wearing an energy patch because I be tired, y'all. Especially, I know if you're working 12, you'll be extra tired too. You be drinking energy drinks. Especially if you're working overnight, baby, you barely making it through your night. How I know? Because I work overnight too, and I work in a hospital, okay? So here you get your energy. I actually have on 3, but I'm only showing you 2 right now because the other one is somewhere you don't need to see. But I actually got on 3. Then I got on my victory patch. So if you work in like ICU, any kind of inpatient care setting, sometimes outpatient, and you pulling on patients, victory patch. It makes it feel like you're not even. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I be about to pull a patient off the table sometime. I don't know my own strength no more with this patch on. If you think I'm lying, buy it. If it don't work, send it back. You get all your money back. Tap in. I'm trying to put y'all on, but y'all ain't listening. Y'all not listening. Y'all gonna wait until the whole world know about it, and then you gonna. All right. You know what? Bye, y'all. I love you.